We're headed to American Freight Line today. We have a special surprise for Bullet Motorsports. It's not something we normally mess with, but I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. Let's jump inside the Vandera and take a ride. Let's wait for this truck in case it has to turn. We're pulling into AFL right now. You can see that they have a whole bunch of cars out here. Let's do a little circle. Most of the stuff's inside. I know they're importing a lot of Hummers and classic cars to Europe.
That wagon is sweet.
Yeah, that thing is sweet. Well, let's go through these right here. So they've got a lot of cars from the auction, some trucks back there. Let us enter. I can't believe you're here today. What's going on? Oh, they're telling me that you don't have space. Give me a break. Where is my Skyline? It's right there. Did it start?
Yes.
That retains like one of those motorcycle from the Second World War. We have to empty the whole cabin.
Hit the two-step.
All right, boys. Here she is, R33 with an R34 kit built by BER, so B Racing. And the motor was built by Top Secret out of Japan. It has a front cradle from an R34. Everything's been upgraded, and obviously Yasid is inside the cockpit right now, and he won't let me get inside the car. So we were able to get this by our close friend Arnaut from Supersport. We're gonna get it all cleaned up, we're gonna go through it, and then we're gonna list it up for sale and let you guys decide where it goes. Thanks, let's go for a ride.